Yes, actually, no, up to this moment, no, pa kami final line up. But this afternoon, this 6 p.m. in the evening, no, accordingly, per information kay si Congressman Kim Olaso, he called up for the meetings. I don't think so that he will finalize already our lineup.
But earlier, dahil yaman po ito man mention kay ito plano man join politics.
Yes, of course, tiyan kita plano to do my point of view is to extend my help to the people of Zamboanga. Not only in G1, but if possible, the entire District 2.
As the father of the barangay of G1 Cup, sabi ito, el problema del komunidad, if given the chance na council, what will be your first priority?
Yes, actually, no, I have my advocacy. My first priority is to maintain the cleanliness, if possible, in entire Zamboanga. The next one is to maintain the good and peace and order. And also, to extend the help to the poorest of the poor.
So, cleanliness, one of your priority ka, and considering ke ang problema kita dito na landfill area, kailangan ito kasi naman approach.
Yes, as of now, no, the landfill area, no, Tamirayo, based on my personal opinion, no, if possible, busca kami sila otro area, kita Tamirayo, dol talye na ya, aton landfill area. And as expected kasi yan sinata sucede kay Bertol volume dela diaton basura every day, no, so kabar el diaton landfill area ben hindi katabla bien grande jutay lang. And other than that, no, on my in my barangay, no, as of the moment kini kita malo track uno, but I decided ke man volunteer ke manda usa di mio on dump truck. So por eso aram nila to kunel basura diaton ta pwede kita man maintain hindi ka dabla bien mabuling tamira kita tiyan man basura, pero that's normal. So pero every day taman na man collect kunel di mio garbage collector.
So if given the chance ka, considering you came from the barangay, what will be your programs for the different barangays in the city?
Yes, amukal, no, tan assume si Kap, no, si pwede gana si Kap what I did to my barangay, I will apply also that to other barangay.
On peace and order Cup, considering kinita mga suseso, shooting ang sina, wasa to ko na si manera or approach ase para hindi man siguro para eradicate, just to minimize. So
maybe siguro, no, who is the mayor is to para keda na future, so I will support lang his program. But actually, no, el Kentan aspire for mayor this coming 2025 election, ang project yan ko sa cosa le kere ase. Si if ever si pwede le sale victorioso na este coming election.
So si Cap Castillo, conocido como Api Kinamasa, nagkurso ng mga gente. So, ito yung mga visit ng mga barangay, kaya tal nila conception contigo?
Yes, actually, no, at first, undecided yo para kore. Pero every time, kaya kami meeting, so, yung mga barangay chairman, tan push kumigo para kore, para na nila, para tiyan sila representative, tiyan sila boses na konseho.
And lastly, Cap, sa iba mo ibig every election, may daw election limpyo, pero kaya pancha, buling. Kasi ito yung appeal ko publiko opisyalmente na aspeto de alleged vote buying.
Yes, kunal mga, I'm appealing, no, kunal mga ken, bota, no, if possible, ara, estudya kita bonamente. Pone kita, kunal, mga kandidato akal karapat dapat gayon para sinta na pwesto. Hindi tan taking advantage lang na gobyerno. Akel que tiene cosas akel que tiene feelings para sirvi y dale buenos servicios con el mga constituente de Zamboanga City.